Hello. So I'm creating a purchase order and I'm giving my cost center and GL accounts. I'm creating purchase order for certain uh, account assignment with the KNB for blanket purchase order. But I'm getting error when I put this that version 0 not defined for the fiscal year, and it's giving me year number as well. So this is the error message. So how to resolve this error we will see in this video. So detail error message is this, where it's saying exactly this version 0 is not maintained for and year, and error message number is CP626. And how to resolve this we will see in this video. So to resolve this error, go to the T code, that is OKEQ. So this is the T code. Press enter. Then if you go here, you will see different versions, but we are interested in version 0. So here we have an options. Select this line, then just make it big so it will be easy to see and navigate. So then select here. Under controlling area, we have to select setting for each fiscal year. So this option need to be selected, this one. Then once you select this option, double click on it. So first select version, then double click on setting, then put your controlling area. So in my case, I have created my company code, and the company code have controlling area, that is 0001. So I'm okay with that area. Then version is 0, then just click OK. Then you can find here there is no current year available, so you need to add that year. So you can just select and make a copy of any existing year, or you can directly do a new entry. I will prefer copying the last previous year and just update with the latest entry. So I will just update with my latest entry 2025. Don't change the any dates here except uh, dates for current year, and just press enter. Then ignore this warning, it is information message, and then save it. Okay, save it in your TR, that is transport request, so data is saved. Then go back and check again if you are getting this error in any screen where you are performing really some posting things. So in my case, this is the screen. So I will go back and I will try to repost same purchase order. So here I will provide a value, then check. This is my details that I'm using. Press enter. So now see that error is not appearing. So this is how we solve this error version 0 issue. So thank you for watching.